Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear students. Hope you are quite well with your family members. Once again, after Eid vacation, I am Tomal Ahmed, welcoming you from my home. I am thankful that you are watching my classes and follow my videos with good intention to maximize your preparation. In my videos, I try to give you a complete package that can help you in upcoming exam. Those who are following my videos carefully can be benefited during exam. In previous class, I talked to you with a very important topics. If you do not yet to be watched and prepared yourselves with that class, I want to request and ask you to follow that class. I'm sure it will help you. Okay, my dear boys, like my previous class, I'm going to introduce again a new one which is also very important topic. So let's start our today's class with page number 54. Please bring your EFT book and open. I request to open page number 54. Okay. Now you can see Unit 5, Nature and Environment. And after studied this unit, the learning outcomes that you will able to comprehend and summarize text, ask and answer questions, take part in debates on given topics, take part in role playing and conversation, draft and deliver lecture on given topics, write letters to newspaper highlighting certain problems with slogan for poster. Okay, my dear boys, before starting this unit, you are going to introduce with some new words and you have to know the meaning and antonym that can help you in making question and answer. Okay, so here the words which is very much important. First one is roofed, it's an adjective, and meaning is covered, antonym is roofless. Whispering, that means murmuring. Flame, that means blaze or fire. Remind, it's a verb. Yes, it is like recall or retain, and the opposite meaning is forget. Turmoil, yes, it's a noun. Synonym is unrest, antonym is harmony. It is a very related word. You will be notified and you will be here. Okay, turmoil, it is related to a people who lost everything in this natural calamity. Okay, erosion, that is noun. It means decay or rebuilding is an antonym. Another words which is very much important, one is consume, it means absorb. Okay, monsoon is very much related to the topic because river erosion is mostly happen during the monsoon. And devour, it means ruin or crush. And disease, malady, ailment, it means shatter. It's a verb, it means ruin or disrupt. Antonyms repair. Prompt, it's an adjective, done without delay, and antonym is late. So my dear boys, let's start our today's class with Unit 5, Lesson 1, The Greed of the Mighty Rivers, page 56. Okay, uh, you know, this topic is very much important, so you have to read carefully the unit and this lesson. It is a story of a lady who lost everything due to this river erosion. Yes, you can see in this lesson the title of the lesson is very much related to the picture of this text or the lesson. So let's start with this lesson. You can see Meherjan leaves. Yes, it's a story of Meherjan, and this story has been stated in a newspaper. Um, so we can see a woman, a woman who lost everything and try to spend his present time with profound loss or sorrows. Okay, Meherjan, first line. Meherjan lives in slum on the Surajganj town protection embankment. Her polythene roofed shelter looks like a cage. She is nearly 45 but looks more than her age. In front of her shelter, she is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. Her weak hands tremble as she adds some fallen leaves and straw to the fire. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing flames remind Mirjan of the turmoil in her life. Not long ago, Mirjan had everything: a family, cultivable land, and cattle. The erosion of the Jamuna gradually consumed all her landed property. It finally claimed her only shelter during the last monsoon. It took the river only a day to devour Meher's house, trees, vegetable garden, and the bamboo bush. She had a happy family once. Over the years, she lost her husband and her family to disease that real hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now she is the only one left to live on with the loss and the pain. The greedy Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. There are thousands other waiting to share the same fate like Meherjan. Bangladesh is a land of rivers, some of whose banks overflow or during monsoon. Erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the river banks. During each monsoon, many more villages are threatened by the mighty rivers like the Jamuna, the Podda, and the Meghna. It is estimated that river erosion makes at least 1 lakh people homeless every year in Bangladesh. In fact, river erosion is one of the main dangers caused by the climate change. If we can't take prompt actions to adapt to climate change, there will be thousands of more Maharjans in our towns and villages every year. This is story of Meherjan. Now I want to introduce with the pictures. Now you can see the pictures that introduce consequences of the river erosion. Like Meherjan, they, you can see in the picture, they also lost their everything due to the natural calamity in recent flood or same category natural disasters. So my dear boys, and you have learned, you have been introduced with Meherjan's story, and this is story which is very much responsible to the river erosion, and it is river erosion is also related to the natural disaster, and natural disaster due to the consequences of unusual and man-made problems. Okay, so globalization as well as overpopulation, and due to the overpopulation we have to cut trees randomly. No, okay, so this is why that the story of Mirjan has been stated here. Uh, I have told you that you will be able to answer the multiple choice questions, that is question number 1, and from your EFT book you have already seen that here the question number B, for each phrase below choose the meaning that is closest to the meaning used to the next above. In paragraph 3, mighty river means, mighty river means what? Yes, question that is A. Answer is A. Rivers that have a huge volumes of water and a very strong current. Second one, landed property. All these are related to the phrase, okay? Landed property, mighty rivers, whispering wind, dancing flames. All these are, the phrase. It is used. All these are used in the story to expose, to examine, to enlarge the story of Meherjan. Okay, so second one is landed property. Yes, the answer is C. Property in the form of a source of income to its owner. And number 3, whispering wind. Guess one. Which one? Yes, that is B. Wind that blows with a hissing sound. And number 4, dancing flames. Dancing flames. Okay. Yes, it is sound like very joyful, but no, it is a story of turmoil of the Meherjan. Okay, that is C. Flames that are made unstable by the blast of air. Okay, all these you will able. I have told you that again you will be able to answer. You can answer now the couple of multiple choice. That's question number 1, which is related, and I'm going to giving you the question number 2 already. In C part C, you can see that ask and answer the following question in pairs. So this is your homework I'm going to give you now. I just introduce you this same question for your next class HW. Okay, learn and write properly, and I'm going to uh, read out this question. Number A, what does Meherjan use to make fire for cooking her meals? Okay. B, what property did Meherjan lose due to river erosion? C, what do you know about Meherjan's family? And number D, in which season is river erosion most likely to occur? And number E, finally, why is the phrase greedy Jamuna used to describe the river? What greed do you notice in the description? This is your today's class. So thank you, my dear boys, for watching till the end, and goodbye. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.